In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Nova extension trading bot onto pump.fun. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and load into pump.fun. Then you want to go ahead and open up any web browser and you want to look for click.tradenova.io. I'll also be linking this in the description down below, but this is the official Nova page download. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the top right and select on this button that does say connect. And once you're done with that, it is now going to go ahead and open up Telegram for PC. So if you haven't already installed Telegram for PC, then you need to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and press on open Telegram desktop like so. And then it is going to bring us a menu that does look like this. So if it's your first time ever using Nova, then it's going to give you like an introduction message and stuff like that. But it will also give you this message over here where it will say meet Nova Click. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on launch Nova Click, then go ahead and press on open. It will then bring you to a page that looks like this. And there you go. You have now connected your Nova account to your Telegram account, which you need to do. So after you're done with that, go ahead and press on got it. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and refresh the page because you actually want to also install the Nova Click Chrome extension, which you should be able to find right over here. So let's go ahead and press on download for Chrome. Then let's go ahead and press on add to Chrome like so. Press on add extension. And now all you need to do is you need to open up the extension manager and you should see that Nova will be there. There you go. Nova is right over there. So let's go ahead and pin it really quickly. There you go. And now once you're done with that, you can now go ahead and open up pump.fun just like so. Now, in order to actually activate Nova, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your extension list over here and make sure that Nova is actually selected. Then you want to go ahead and enable the panel. Once you're done with that, you will now be able to go ahead and snipe meme coins faster. You're also able to go ahead and select on your preset buy amount. You can also select on your preset sell amounts as well. There's a lot of great options over here, and it's honestly really incredible. But guys, you also need to go ahead and configure your Nova account. So you need to actually connect your wallet there. You want to go ahead and open up the Telegram chat again. Then you want to go ahead and open up menu, press on start right over here. And this is basically going to give you access to everything you need in order to actually use Nova. So you guys could do like copy trading, snipers, all that good stuff. But you want to go ahead and select on wallets right over here. And now you want to go ahead and import your wallet right over here. So you can go ahead and press on import and then just enter in the name of your wallet. Then it's going to ask you for your wallet address. Or if you guys want to withdraw funds, then you want to go ahead and select on withdraw. And then you want to go ahead and withdraw the money from the particular account. But in general, Nova will make trading significantly faster and more effective. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.